Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Classroom on your XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Google Classroom and hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open it. Now click Get Started, choose the account you want to use or add another one. I'm gonna go with this one and click OK. Now in order to join the class, click on this plus button and select Join Class. Here you will need to enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering the class code, you'll be able to press Join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.